light precision soldering station from JBC. This soldering station is designed for precision soldering work and has a small footprint, making it ideal for use in a variety of environments. The LCS features JBC's most efficient soldering system, providing consistent soldering quality every time. And with its hibernation mode, the LCS helps to extend the life of your tips. A cartridge extractor is also included, making it easy and safe to change tip geometries as needed. The LCS is available in 3 models: LC-1SHA 120V, LC-2SHA 230V, and LC-2SHA 230V. The control unit is compact and lightweight, measuring 128 by 105 by 130 mm and weighing 2.67 kg. The LCS provides precise temperature control with a selectable temperature range of 90 to 450 degrees Celsius. And with its ESD safety features, the LCS protects your work and components from damage. The tip-to-ground resistance and voltage are both under 2 ohms and 2 mV/ms, respectively. The LCS provides 40 W of peak power, making it a powerful soldering station that can handle even the most demanding soldering tasks. And with its operating temperature range of 10 to 50 degrees Celsius, the LCS can be used in a variety of environments. Whether you're working on populated PCBs or under a microscope, the LCS is the perfect soldering station for you. With its small footprint, powerful performance, and precise temperature control, the LCS is the soldering station you can trust. Try it today and experience precision soldering at its finest.